Hi everyone. Today let's check out an app named Sejda that helps us to convert from into PDFs and as many other tools. It's free and easy to use and doesn't require any installation. So let's get started. First, click on the link in the description. Now click on All Tools. Here we have all the options to do with a PDF. Let's try PDF to Word. Click on Upload PDF Files. You can also upload documents from Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or web address. Here, Keep Layout option will keep the same layout as your PDF. The Optimize for Legibility option will be good for easy reading on Kindle, etc. Now you can rename the file if you want. Now click on Download or save the document on a specific folder in your computer or save it to OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Some of the issues is that free service limits documents to more than 50 pages and 50 megabytes. Also, only 3 tasks per hour is possible. There are many other tools like editing, merging, compressing, etc. Do try it. Thank you.